I'm okay, guys. The first topic we'll be covering is what is Forex. Forex is just a short form for foreign exchange, just a short form of foreign exchange. And the amount of money that is traded on Forex each day is around 100 and something billion dollars. As I think 2 years ago when I wrote this particular PDF, it was around 169 billion dollars per day, but the trading volume should have increased by now to around 180 or around 200 billion dollars per day. That's the amount of money that is being traded on the foreign exchange market. That is both money that is being made and money that's being lost. Because trading involves both people buying, selling, and it's a market. It's just that it's not a physical market, and a market in the sense that some people will make gains, some people will make losses. It's just the idea behind um, forex, foreign exchange. Currencies are being traded, and on the forex market, different things are being traded. We have currencies of different countries are being traded, stocks of different companies like Apple is traded, Tesla is traded, Amazon, Google. All these are companies that have stocks. They are all being traded on the stock market. We have bonds, we have indices, we have metals like gold, silver, palladium. All these things are being traded on the stock exchange market. Now, um, like for a country now, the economy of a country is represented on the foreign exchange. Let's say for Nigeria, since I'm a Nigerian making this video, if the economy of Nigeria is positive, that should say that the Nigerian currency will be bullish in the foreign exchange, in the sense that it will be on the buying side, meaning that the currency, Nigerian currency, will be buying, meaning it will be positive on the positive side. Why, if the economy of Nigeria is not doing well, it will reflect on the foreign exchange of the currency, which is naira, meaning that on the foreign exchange it will be showing that the currency is selling massively. So now, what is traded on the forex market? Like I said before, currencies are being traded on the forex market. Currencies such as EUR USD represents the European versus United States dollars. That is the euro against dollars. We have United States dollars against Japanese yen. We have the Great GBP, means Great British pounds, against United States dollars. You understand? Like I said, currencies are being traded. Um, Stocks in the foreign. I talked about stocks such as the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500. These are stocks. You understand? Stocks. Like the Nasdaq is there are companies in the US, that is fortune companies in the US, that are under the Nasdaq stock. Then we have bonds. We have different bonds. We have indices. I already talked about Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and different other indices. Then, what is a forex broker? A forex broker is, or let's say, forex brokers are people by which you trade forex, or you trade the foreign exchange through them. As an individual, you cannot trade the foreign exchange market by yourself. So you need like middlemen or intermediaries for you to be able to trade the financial markets, because the financial market is traded with large volumes of money in billions of dollars. So you need to trade through all these big brokers for you to be able to trade or have access to the financial market. You understand? So they make it possible. These forex brokers, they make it possible for you to be able to trade the financial markets. They give you what we call leverage. Leverage just means the ability to use something small to get something bigger. You understand? Just for those that bet, they call it odd in betting. Just like using the ability to use your small money to get something bigger. You understand? And they provide functions and tools for you to be able to trade the foreign exchange market. Some of the brokers we have Hot Forex, we have FXTM, we have FBS, Avatrade. JP Market is no more functional. As at the time I wrote this book, JP Market was still functional. JP Markets was a South African broker, but they're no more functional again. FXTM, Active Trades, there are so many brokers, a lot of them, almost 100 brokers, you understand? So it's just for you to find the broker that has um, features that suit your trading style, depending on what you want to trade, you understand? That's just it. So that's for brokers. You understand? So if I want to trade, I have to register with a broker, then create an account with them, then deposit money into my account, then they will give me login details by which I will be able to trade the financial markets using my MetaTrader 4 or 5 app. You understand? So that's for brokers. Then we have what we call trading times and trading sessions. Trading times and trading sessions. There are different times. There are specific times in which you can trade the foreign exchange market. It is not every hour of the day or every hour of every hour of the day or every day of the week you can trade. Like for currencies, you can only trade currencies from Sunday by by 12 o'clock to Friday by 10 o'clock. Understand? So these are some of the trading times and sessions you can trade the foreign exchange market. So for the trading sessions, we have the Tokyo session. That is Tokyo session covers Asia. That's the session traders in Asia trade. We have the London session, covers the UK and countries under United Kingdom. We have Frankfurt session. Then we have New York session. New York session covers America and totally all these countries in America, both South and North America. That's how it is. Then, um, like I said, the trading times for the trading times, the Sydney session it opens by 9 o'clock. That is 9 p.m. GMT. Tokyo session opens by 11 p.m. GMT. London session opens by 8 a.m. GMT. New York session opens by 1 p.m. GMT means Greenwich Meridian time. So depending on your country, you just check this time, what it reflects in your own country's time, because you know our time frame differs by country. So you just check the one that then check it in your own time for your country. So some of the apps you will need for you to be able to trade. We need MetaTrader 4 app. That is the app that when you register with a broker, they'll give you login details, and those login details you will put it in your MetaTrader 4 app to be able to trade the financial market. Then we have what we call core level app. Core level app. We have Zoom Zoom video. Zoom was just um, when I was having classes with some of my students, video calls for my students. Then we needing pivot point app, pivot point app. You understand? So that's just it for um, um, trading session. Let me just explain more. It said the trading session opens by 9 p.m. and will close by 6 a.m. GMT. Tokyo session opens by 11 p.m. GMT and will close by 8 a.m. GMT. New York session that opens by 1 p.m. will close by 10 p.m. GMT. So they have different opening and closing times. You understand? So like for New York session, during the New York session, all the currencies that are traded uh, against or with USD, there's high tendency that the volatility or the volume of trades of USD pairs will be higher at those periods. So if you are someone that trades USD pairs, that's American pairs, you should watch out for um, um, this New York session. That's the best time to be able to trade in the New York session. Then I think I will stop here for now. Then in the next video, I'll talk about terminologies used in Forex.